guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Shama with the Unapologetic Happy Life, where we help you design and live your best life unapologetically. Alright, so I know it's been quite a while since you've seen this face here on the channel, especially with the lock related video. I was in the process of retightening my hair, hence why I look like this. Okay. I know I look probably a hot mess right now, but I've sectioned off my hair because I washed my hair over the weekend and I was starting to retwist my hair, and it hit me while I was starting at the back of my head to actually make a video on this. For those of you who have been following me for a while, you know that last year around my 1-year lock anniversary mark, I installed locks on the new growth that had grown in my undercut. And if you've not yet seen that video, I will go ahead and link the Microlocs playlist so you can check it out. So I am coming up on what is going to be technically my 2-year/1-year lock anniversary. So it's going to be 2 years for me in July since I did this new Microloc journey for the majority of my head. But it's also going to be the 1-year lock anniversary for me for these locks that were installed at the back of my head in the undercut. Which is fine. I've experienced quite a bit of growth back there so far, but the only thing that I find really annoying is I am now starting to like pulling my hair back, not too often and not every day, but I like pulling my hair back into a bun, a low bun, and the hair at the back, because it's short, they fall out or they hang out, and that's kind of annoying for me. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to install some lock extensions at the back of my head. I have installed them on a few of them already. As you can see, these were not this length. All these have lock extensions added already, and I will insert a picture of how I started when I first started, the length I was, and although it's grown a bit, I think here some of them were reaching about here. Everything else reaches lower down, but the hair back here in the undercut reaches maybe a bit here. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how I'm gonna go ahead and just add these Microloc extensions. I have 3 rows that I had installed back here, and again, like I said, I've already installed the extensions on majority of them. I probably have about 4 left. I'm not gonna do all 4 on camera. I'm just gonna show you how I do 1 on camera, and then I'll come back and show you the finished result. But this is the lock extension that I made. I don't know if you can see this. Can you see this? I think so. Okay, so this is the lock extensions I made. It's probably no more than 3 inches long. And again, if you want to see how I make Microloc extensions, I will link my lock extension video. It's the same concept, except these are just the Microloc size for my locks. Okay, so this is the part that I'm gonna attach. So let's see if I can send you guys in. So, all right, so this is my locks. This is one of the longest ones actually, because this is like on the last row on top. So this is one of the longest locks, but can you see? I think you guys can see. Okay. So because the hair is kind of thin, this is mostly just curled hair right there. I'm gonna start high up. So I'm gonna put the lock right here. Pull it down a little bit, right? So then it's gonna fall here, and I'm just gonna make sure and check that it's okay with the other lengths. Let's see, bring it down a little bit. Okay, I think that should be okay. All right, so I have my 2-prong needle, my 2-head prong needle. Can you see this? I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, it's a 2-prong head needle that I purchased from Amazon, and then I'm just gonna start where the 2 connect, right there. I'll zoom in once I can, but okay. And I'm just gonna install the twist. So right now I'm just meshing. I know it might sound like I'm actually ripping hairs, but it's really just me moving the needle in and out and intertwining hairs. Okay, so this is what we have so far. So I'm gonna work up now. Those hairs. Okay, so this is what I have right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my 1 prong needle. Don't know if you can see this. This focus is really bad. But I have this 1 prong head needle, and I'm just gonna go in and make sure it's tight throughout. Okay. So this is what I'm working with. It's in there, it's tight. Sometimes I go along and feel if there's any soft spots and continue meshing. But yeah, and then I give it a rub. And there it is, my Microloc extension. Alright, so I'm gonna finish, let me zoom it back out. I am gonna go ahead and finish the last couple ones at the back, and then I'm gonna show you how it actually integrates with the rest of my hair. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I have finished installing all the Microloc extensions in the area that I wanted to. So this is what it looks like. I think I had about 3 rows, so I think there were 23 locks that I had to install the Microloc extensions on. But let me go ahead and turn around really quickly so you can see what it looks like. So this, I'm going to use my mirror because I want to make sure you guys can see. But this is what the extensions look like. This is the length. I hope you guys can see clearly. Now, I will make a quick note. So I don't know if it picks up on camera. Let me see. I don't know. I don't think it does. I don't think it really shows up on camera. But for the Microloc extensions, I only used hair that I had lying around. So for these are in the color 1B. My hair is more like a number 2. So there's a slight difference. Maybe you'll actually see it if I bring the back of my hair down. So let me do that. So yes, my hair is probably 7 weeks post my last retire, I believe. I don't really remember at this point, but okay. So let me show you. Of course, I gotta use my handy dandy mirror. This is what the locks look like with the extensions. Some are a bit longer. But I don't think it's that bad. See, like this one is a bit longer, and so is this one. But it's okay. I mean, technically I could clip them. I don't know. But you see, I don't know if you can see the difference, but it doesn't it doesn't really show up on camera, and it's not that bad, the difference in color. For these two right here, they're a little bit longer than the rest of my hair, so I don't know, should I cut them? Do they look bad that they're a little longer than the rest of my hair? You guys leave your comments below and let me know whether you think I should actually cut the two that seems a little extra longer than the others. Let me know if they look bad, but I like how it turned out. I like how it turned out. I like the fact that the back of my head actually feels a little bit and looks fuller, because what would happen is whenever I let my hair down, it wouldn't look as bad, but you could tell there was some space at the back and I was not liking it at all. So that was another annoying thing about it, is the space back there. But now that I've installed it, it looks pretty good. I like how it feels. I like how it looks. I'm able to put my hair up now with no issues. So yeah, so this was just a quick video. I just wanted to drop by and show you guys me adding Microlocs extensions to the back of my hair. If you guys have any other lock related videos you would like to see, or any other videos at all, just go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have not yet already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join the rest of the unapologetics here on this channel by hitting the subscribe button right here, and don't forget to hit the post notification as well so you never miss another upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time, but until then, be blessed and remember to live life unapologetically. Bye guys.